Good morning, students. Today we will learn about continents. First of all, we will get knowledge about the directions. There are four main directions: north, south, east, and west. Student, these are known as cardinal directions. If we don't have the compass rose in our hand, how we can find out the directions? We have already studied that sun rises in the east. You just have to stand facing the rising sun. It is the east direction. Opposite will be the west, that is behind you. After that you spread your hands. You find right hand having south direction to the left hand having north direction. Understand, students? Now we will talk about the continents. A very large landmass on earth is called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Look at this map. First of all, Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Some of the world's largest countries such as China and India are located in Asia. You can see on this map the largest countries, China and India, are located in Asia. Asia has the highest population among all the continents. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is well known for its physical features and a variety of wildlife. Countries like South America, Egypt are situated in Africa. North America. It is the third largest continent in the world. You can see United States of America, Canada, and Mexico are the 3 main countries of North America. South America. South America is the 4th largest continent in the world. One of the densest forests in the world, Amazon forest, is situated in this continent. The forest is home to a wide variety of plants and animals. Countries like Brazil, Argentina, and Colombia are situated in South America. Antarctica continent. You can see at the bottom of the map Antarctica continent. It is called the white continent as it is covered with snow and ice throughout the year. Antarctica is the only continent in the world which has no permanent human residence. This continent is home to seals, penguins, whales, seabirds, and many other animals. Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent. It is the second most populated continent in the world. United Kingdom, Norway, Germany, and Spain are some of the countries located in Europe. The next is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is also the only continent which is both has island and a country. So student, there are 7 continents in the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia continent. Thank you.